Are you ready to witness the future of digital art? Since Adobe announced the new AI Firefly Photoshop, it has stunned us all. This AI-driven Photoshop tool is not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward regarding what technology can accomplish when it's put to good use. So, what makes Firefly different from the traditional Photoshop we've come to know and love? The answer lies in the incredible power of AI. Firefly Photoshop is imbued with cutting-edge AI algorithms capable of analyzing your design elements, recognizing patterns, and understanding the context of your creative vision. This tool isn't just an application, it's a design partner, helping you navigate through the design journey and delivering impressive results at every turn. Let's break down Firefly Photoshop's key features and explore why they have the entire design community on the edge of their seats. Number 1. Object recognition. The first standout feature of Firefly Photoshop is its object recognition capability. Traditionally, Photoshop required users to select and edit each design element manually. This was a laborious process and often a barrier to creativity. Firefly, however, has changed the game. This AI-driven tool can easily identify various elements within your design and provide intuitive suggestions on enhancing or modifying them. You no longer have to guess or experiment aimlessly. Firefly Photoshop does all the heavy lifting for you, saving you time and effort. Number 2. Contextual awareness. It's not just about recognizing the elements, it's about understanding the context. Firefly Photoshop can comprehend your design's overall narrative and aesthetic, offering you intelligent suggestions and precise edits that align with your creative vision. This eliminates the need for endless trial and error, allowing you to focus more on creativity and execution. It's like having an intuitive partner that can predict your next move, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Number 3. Personalized recommendations. Firefly Photoshop doesn't just provide generic suggestions. Instead, it tailors its recommendations according to your unique design style. As it understands the themes and patterns of your work, it can offer creative insights that genuinely resonate with your vision, guiding you towards a promising outcome. Number 4. Intelligent filters and effects. Firefly Photoshop provides access to a vast collection of intelligent filters and effects. These tools, powered by AI, allow you to transform your designs in ways you've only dreamed of before. You can effortlessly add realistic lighting to your photographs, create captivating visual distortions, and bring an ethereal touch to your artwork, all with a few clicks. With Firefly Photoshop, the world of design is truly at your fingertips. Number 5. Natural language processing. This might be one of the most exciting features of Firefly Photoshop. You can communicate with the software in a human-like way, asking it to perform certain tasks just by describing what you want. Imagine saying, "Brighten the sky," or "Remove the background," and the software does it for you. This makes Firefly Photoshop not just a tool, but an interactive design companion that understands your commands and executes them precisely. Number 6. Efficient workflow. With Firefly Photoshop, working on a design project becomes a breeze. You don't have to go back and forth between different tools and panels. The AI seamlessly integrates with your workflow, predicting the tools you need and tasks you want to accomplish next. This drastically reduces the time spent on routine tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. Number 7. Restoration capabilities. Ever had an old, damaged photo that you wished could be restored? With Firefly Photoshop, it's not just possible, it's also easy. The AI can intelligently fill in the gaps, reconstructing the lost elements and breathing new life into your cherished memories. Now you might be wondering what sets Firefly apart from its predecessors or other AI-powered design tools. The answer lies in the level of personalization that Firefly offers. While other software might boast AI features, none have the intuitive, personalized, and predictive capabilities that Firefly Photoshop does. It's not just about executing tasks, but about understanding your design aesthetic, predicting your needs, and delivering results that align seamlessly with your vision. As Firefly Photoshop will soon be included in Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, designers worldwide are eagerly counting down the days. The software promises to change the landscape of digital art, enhance the design process, and fuel a new era of creative innovation. With Firefly, Adobe has once again shown its commitment to pushing the boundaries of creative technology. This new tool doesn't just make the design process easier and more efficient, it opens up a world of endless artistic possibilities. Firefly Photoshop isn't just another tool in your design arsenal, it's a design partner that understands your vision, assists you on your creative journey, and delivers results that will leave you and your audience truly stunned. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the mind-boggling features of Firefly Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, the future of digital art is just a click away. Stay inspired and creative. We'll see you in the next video.